Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a dry, pre-primed black 12-inch round. And I have been thinking about it and I want to add some more paint. That's Meeden black paint. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And I just want my edges to be moist. And I'm going to put my Anita's white metallic underneath the colors I put in the middle. And I hadn't thought about spinning until I just spun right then, but it could happen. I did it the other day and it worked. It was so cool. Alright, so there's my Anita's white metallic. There's my Artist Loft cobalt blue. Here is some Sargent's yellow. Actually, that disappears. I'm not going to use that. I was going to use that, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to use some Hot Orchid because I like it with turquoise. Pink and turquoise make a beautiful blue. And then I'm going to use some Amethyst metallic from Artist Loft. I think I said the cobalt blue that's turquoise was a metallic from Artist Loft. And I'm going to use some gold, Decorative Americana 24 karat gold. And I know I could probably blow into this, but I'm really interested in using my purple cell activator. And then I've got some very precious magenta from Golden. I kind of wish I'd put some black in there, honestly. But I'm not hating my colors either. Just spread it out a little bit. Maybe throw a little tiny bit more gold on either side. I don't know how this is going to be, but the last time I didn't succeed completely the way I wanted to. I did something else and that worked. So I'm going to put my spatula in the bucket before the paint dries on the blade and try and guesstimate how much Dioxazine Purple Masters Masters Touch from Hobby Lobby with Floetrol with Aussie Floetrol I should use. I'd like to have it evenly distributed along that edge. But it's a wide card, which is good to remember because it takes a special touch with the wide card. I'm going to do this away from myself. Let's see how that goes. And I am going to use an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, a fresh one, to take the paint off my edge catcher. And put it into my scrape dish. And I'm liking all that, but it makes me want to put some of the electric blue from Arteza right in there. And do I want to use black or do I want to use purple? I don't know, that purple usually disappears. So maybe I could use white and that would be interesting. I want to put it right down on top of it and then pull it over. But I don't think that that's going to work as well for me as I'd like it to. That's a little more than I needed. And I hate to waste this stuff. Okay, let's just flip it around so I can pull away from myself. I'm going to take the rest of that. Those are pretty colors. Put it in my scrape dish. Thinking about blowing around in the center. Sure seems like I used enough paint. That magenta is looking very dark to me. Like I wish I'd put a whole lot more pink over there. But the cells are pretty. I'm inclined to let it spread right off. I think I am going to do something, not sure what. That's some Anita's White Metallic. This is some Folk Art Neon Pink. There's a little Hot Orchid. I am going to grab, come on, stand up, bottle. I'm going to grab, hopefully, one of my little tools out of the bucket, preferably the big one. You can make these. If you ask me, I'll give you the link. How about that? That makes it easy. If I remember to put the link below the video, I will. I'm going to get the water off my hands. I might use the purple cell activator, which is Aussie Floetrol. I'm going to use the white for right now, though. I don't know if I'm going to like this or not, but I'm going to keep trying until I do, hopefully. I'm going to use some of the purple. I like the way the purple mixes with the other colors a lot. But then, if you know me at all, you know me that I like purple. Keep scraping off my little tool. I want to put some gold on this, and I have some gold cell activator, but it didn't work, so I'm not going to do it. Oh, I so want to. Back to the white again. I mean, it was okay, but it wasn't really something spectacular, which is what I want. I don't want to get rid of all that blue either. I like the electric blue. I don't mind dragging tendrils up through things. I'm running low on the white. Put a little more in there. Don't lose all that gold either. Well, I really thought I was going to love the magenta, and I haven't decided one way or the other yet, and I guess it's going to be decided once it dries. I had a lot of nice cells. I kind of wish that I had put some of my emerald green color shifting folk art with the turquoise. Or did I not use that? No, I guess I a little more of the cell activator from Amsterdam white. I know there's another name that goes with that. But I'm getting a nice scrape dish full of paint that I'm going to have to decide to use in a minute. I kind of want to use the paint I've got and pull back down in. I kind of want to do all kinds of things right now. Dealing with a straw is one of them. Tipping this is another. Let's see if I can tip it the way I want it to go and have it work out. I did have a lot of really beautiful cells, but I prefer the blue side. And I don't mind tipping it both ways and spreading the paint out. Because the cells seem to be hanging on and I like that. Can get rid of that black edge though. Although it was probably okay. Yep, I'm going to do it one more time. Call it good. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. I post 7 days a week. I have over 2,100 videos you can find on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. That's very nice. Beautiful lacing. Beautiful colors. Learning something about my choices, my color choices every time. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paints. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Share my videos if you'd like to help me stay on YouTube. Watch them longer helps too, and when the notifications come out. I think I like the blue with the turquoise. I want some green next time. I have a blue link underneath the video. I don't know if it's the first one anymore or not. A lot of times I put the tools video and stuff there instead. But it's a link tree and it has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see some of those pretty cells. Right after I try not to do too much damage by inserting a tool into a mark that is bugging me. Let's see if I can show you this. The cells are kind of small now. The colors are good. Where was I? Oh, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links all on my link tree. My email address is below the link tree. Should you open Show More, you'll also find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. My Amazon link is in the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out eventually. And my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, are there also. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that have kept my morale boosted, kept me here, and inspired me. And thank you so much for the donations that help keep me painting and buying art supplies. And if you'd like to be somebody who gets into the monthly drawing, a donation through PayPal, and you can find that icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or the link on the link tree, will get you automatically entered into the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video that is included on the end screens of every video in the last 20 seconds. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Ask me questions if you want. Know that my community board usually will show you tomorrow's video video, as well as most of my Facebook groups. I can't think of anything else I should tell you. I have spring clothing below the video, is that clothing that you see there, and there's like 150 items there. If you go follow along, you'll find all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and a whole bunch of other stuff. And Le Gallerist is made in Montreal. That's the top link on the link tree. And that beautiful dresses and kimono tops and other things all over prints. What else can I tell you? I think I've told you almost everything that I need to. I have over 2,100 videos. I might have mentioned that already. And they're organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. If you can't find a link, just ask me. I'll be happy to help you. I will see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I might have said that. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, thinking I like black cell activator just as much as purple. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.